The Quran as it explains itself.
कुरान अपनी तफसीर अब करता है। कुरान अपनी तफसीर अब करता है।
القرآن الكريم يفسر نفسه.
al-Baqarah 241. And grace yourselves with belief in what I have revealed, now confirming the truth in what you already have. Be not the first among those who will conceal the truth therein, and trade not my revelations for petty gains. Rather, be mindful of me, confirming the truth in. See verse 2:101. Petty gains equals the false dogma of being the chosen ones, which is consistently rejected by the Qur'an. The only criterion of honor in the sight of God is character. See verses 2:80-81, 10:69-70, 29:23, 49:13. Kufr equals opposing the truth, equals denying the truth, equals concealing the truth, equals ingratitude, equals rejection of truth, equals choosing to live in darkness, equals hiding or covering something, equals closing eyes to light. Kafir equals one given to kafir, equals one who adamantly denies the truth, equals one who opposes the truth, equals commonly translated as infidel, equals derivatively and positively, a farmer who hides the seed under the soil. See verse 57:20. Therefore, kufr or kafir does not apply to the unaware, anyone to whom the message has not been conveyed or reached yet. Taqwa equals seeking to journey through life in security, equals protect oneself from disintegration of the personality, equals journeying in security, equals being careful and observant, equals getting empowered against evil, equals avoid overstepping the laws, equals exercising caution, equals preserving oneself against deterioration, equals good conduct, equals building character, equals live upright, equals fear the consequences of violating divine commands, equals being mindful of the Creator, equals remaining conscious of the divinely ordained values, equals taking precaution, equals being watchful against error. Al-Baqarah 242. Do not confound the truth with falsehood, nor conceal the truth while you are well aware of it. See verses 2:159, 3:71. Al-Baqarah 243. Strive to establish the divine system, and to set up the just economic order in the society, and bow with others who bow to these commands. Al-Baqarah 244. Do you exhort people to make room for everyone's welfare and progress in the society, while you disregard practicing what you preach, and all the while you study the scripture? Will you not, then, use your sense? Using sense will tell that failing to practice what one preaches is but lying to one's self. See verse 210. Bear equals making room for everyone's welfare and progress in the society, equals exponential growth of the self. See verse 2:177. Al-Baqarah 245. If you wish to strengthen your own self and promote the well-being of the society, then be patient and resolute in establishing the divinely ordained system of life. It is page number 16.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences.